Hi everybody, this is Diana from SyS y Salado, and today we're going to make a very popular salad that we make in different countries of Latin America, and that's how to make macaroni salad or ensalada de coditos. And each country has a different version, so I'm going to show you a basic way on how to make it, and then you can change it up at home. And as always, link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So first we're going to cook our pasta in plenty of water with a little bit of salt according to the instructions on the package. Then we're going to drain it and we're going to let it cool completely. Once it's cooled, we're going to place it in a big bowl and then we're going to add mayo and heavy cream. We're going to give it a stir. Now we're going to add pineapple chunks. We're also going to add chopped celery and diced ham. And then after this, we're going to mix it again. And now we're going to season it with salt and pepper to taste. Now all we have to do is just place it in the fridge to chill for a few hours before serving. And that's your recipe for making a delicious macaroni salad or ensalada de coditos. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.